Hey everybody, it's John Cruz right here in Auburn, Indiana, the classic car capital of the world, and we're getting ready for the Auburn auction. We're featuring some tremendous classic cars, including this 1940 Packard Darrin. It's the very first one built in 1940, chassis 001, and it was originally built to be shown at the Paris Auto Show. Phenomenal history. Also was selected to be used in a motion picture featuring Gary Cooper and Barbara Stanwyck. And most recently, it has been completely restored. It's outstanding in its presentation, really grabs your attention. It's ready to use or ready to show, be a welcome entrant to most of our Concours d'Elegances, not just here in the country, but around the world. And we will look forward to seeing you as you come and learn more about this great Packard Darrin at the auction.